You push out of your mother's mouth into warm water and something grabs your brother. Not a predator. Your sister. She's been out 30 seconds longer than you, which means she's already hungry. Her mouth opens impossibly wide and she swallows him whole. Around you, 200 siblings are pouring out of your mother's jaws. She hasn't eaten in 3 weeks, she's been keeping you safe inside her mouth. The second she spits you out, she swims away to hunt. Your siblings start eating each other. You're 7 millimeters long. A grain of rice with fins. Your yolk sac hangs from your belly like a yellow target. A sibling twice your size locks onto your yolk sac. You try to swim but your fins barely work. She charges from below. You twist sideways. Her jaws snap on empty water. Most tilapia die in the first hour, but what kills this one will show you why humans call your species trash fish. Something massive drops from above. A dragonfly nymph the size of your entire family crashes down like an alien spacecraft. Its jaw shoots forward and grabs 3 of your siblings in one strike. They disappear into its mouth. The nymph's head swivels toward you. You kick backward, fins pumping hard. It lunges. Your sister swims right between you, still chasing smaller prey. The nymph's jaw explodes forward faster than you can see. It snatches her mid-swim and pulls her into its mandibles. She thrashes once, then stops. The nymph walks away on 6 legs, carrying your sister's body. You're shaking. Not from cold. From understanding that everything here wants to eat you, and you can't fight any of it. Of your 200 siblings who left your mother's mouth 3 minutes ago, 47 are already dead. Eaten by each other, or by things 10 times your size. And you just figured out that staying alive means being smaller, slower, and luckier than everyone around you. Skip forward 1 week. You've survived by hiding in pond weeds and eating algae so small you can barely see them. You're 1 centimeter long now. Your yolk sac is gone. You can actually swim properly. You're basically a genius. Then you feel it. A tickle on your side. Like something's touching you. You twist to look. Nothing's there. But the tickle gets worse. Now it feels like something's under your scales. You shake your whole body trying to dislodge whatever it is. The feeling doesn't stop. A tiny worm has just entered your body. It came from a snail, swam through the water as a microscopic parasite, and punched through your skin like it was paper. Now it's migrating through your tissues, and there's nothing you can do to stop it. It's heading for your eye. Skip forward 2 more weeks and your vision is getting weird. Your right eye feels cloudy, like someone smeared Vaseline on it. You can still see, but everything's blurry on that side. You're hunting algae at the pond's edge when a kingfisher's shadow passes over the water. You look up, or try to. Your right eye doesn't track properly anymore. The bird's outline is fuzzy. You can't tell how far away it is. The kingfisher dives. You see it with your left eye and kicks sideways. The bird's beak slams into the water exactly where you were. You feel the pressure wave from its strike as you tumble away. That was close. Too close. Your right eye isn't working right, and it almost got you killed. Inside your eye, the parasite has reached the lens. It's settled in, growing. It's called an eye fluke, and it's going to build a cataract that slowly consumes your vision. 58 of these parasites are currently in your body. 30 in your right eye, 28 in your left. They're just getting started. You don't know any of this. You just know something's wrong and it's getting worse. A week later, you bump into a rock you should have seen. Your right eye is half covered in white now. The cloudiness is spreading like frost across glass. You can see shapes but no details. You try to hunt a tiny shrimp and miss by 3 inches because you can't judge distance anymore. You're starving. You need to eat but you can't catch anything when you can only see clearly out of one eye. And your left eye is starting to cloud over too. Skip forward 6 more weeks and you're 5 centimeters long. You survived on luck and eating stuff that doesn't move. But now both your eyes are going. The cataracts have spread across 60% of your lenses. You see the world through a foggy windshield that keeps getting thicker. Colors are wrong. Distances don't make sense. You swim into plants you didn't see. You miss food floating right past your face. Then the flukes do something worse. They start changing your behavior. You smell something and your brain says, danger, swim away. But you swim toward it instead. The parasites are rewiring your nervous system, making you do the opposite of what keeps you alive. They want you to get eaten by a bird so they can complete their life cycle inside the bird's gut. You're not their final host. You're just the vehicle. A heron stands in the shallows 20 feet away. Long legs, dagger beak, patient as stone. Every healthy tilapia sees that heron and dives for cover. You smell the heron's chemical signature, and your parasite-addled brain says go check that out. You swim toward the surface, toward the bird. You're 3 feet away when your left eye, the one that still works a little, catches movement. The heron's neck is bending. Its beak is coming down. You dive. The beak stabs into the water and misses you by an inch. You feel the turbulence as it pulls back up. You hide in the weeds shaking, and you realize something horrible. You almost swam into its mouth on purpose. Your own brain tried to kill you. Skip forward 4 months and you're 12 centimeters long. Sexually mature? Male. Your body has transformed, your face is wider, your fins are longer, your colors are brighter silver. And you're blind. Both eyes are 90% covered in white cataracts now. You see blurry shapes and shadows. That's it. You can't hunt moving prey.